Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the symptoms of a bad oil pump. The oil pump plays a crucial role in your vehicle by circulating engine oil from the oil pan throughout the engine. It lubricates moving parts, helps manage heat, and prevents corrosion. Typically, the oil pump is located behind the timing chain cover, near the bottom of the engine, or under the oil pan. One of the first signs of a failing oil pump is the check engine light turning on. You might see a code like P0524, which indicates low oil pressure. You can get this code scanned for free at most auto parts stores, or you can invest in an OBD2 scanner like the one I use linked in the description below. The second symptoms is low oil pressure. Another clear sign is a low reading on your oil pressure gauge. Since the oil pump is responsible for pressurizing the system, a failing pump will lead to insufficient pressure. The third symptoms is engine nose. A bad oil pump can cause engine nose. This happens because the lack of proper lubrication creates metal-on-metal contact between moving parts, leading to those concerning noses. The fourth symptoms is engine won't start. In some newer cars, a faulty oil pump can result in a no-start condition. This happens because modern vehicles often have a safety feature where the ECM prevents the engine from starting if low oil pressure is detected. It's designed to protect the engine from further damage. Before jumping to conclusions about a bad oil pump, always check your engine oil level. Low oil levels can mimic these symptoms, and the solution might just be as simple as topping off the oil. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.